Aloe vera gel is a popular remedy used in herbal medicine. Pure aloe vera gel is known worldwide for its healing and soothing qualities for the skin. Aloe vera helps to nourish your skin, keeping it hydrated, rejuvenated and glowing. It's an antibacterial and contains vitamins and minerals that help to ease eczema and psoriasis flare-ups. Regular use will help heal, soothe, cool and condition the skin and also moisturize and helps maintain a healthy glow and shiny hair. Grab an ice cube tray and fill it in with aloe gel and freeze. These aloe vera ice cubes are great after too much sun exposure, bug bites, poison ivy, and even psoriasis. They provide extra relief from pain, redness, inflammation or itching. Applying the cooling aloe vera cubes to the bug bites or sunburn is definitely a relaxing and soothing experience. Aloe vera is the best remedy to get rid of razor burn. The cooling properties of aloe vera help soothe the razor burn instantly. You can apply aloe vera gel on the affected places and also works as an aftershave agent. Smooth a small amount of aloe vera gel on damp hair to tame frizzy hair and add an instant shine and softness to your hair. The healing and soothing properties of aloe vera is effective in getting rid of stretch marks. It will help in increasing cell growth that helps in the reduction of stretch marks. Apply pure aloe vera gel and massage it daily over the affected skin. The aloe vera plant contains malic acid that helps reduce wrinkles by improving the elasticity of your skin and keep your skin hydrated. Aloe vera has nourishing agent to condition and lock in moisture whilst helping to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Mix 2 TBSP of aloe vera gel with a TBSP of almond oil and pour it in a small jar. Before bed, apply the gel under the eyes and let it work on the under eye circles overnight. One of the most effective hair growth tips is to use aloe vera. Massage aloe vera into your scalp. Leave it on for an hour and then rinse with warm water for growing amazing long tresses.